3, 2, 1,
go! Run!
Can Kelly play?
Hi guys, today we are at the farm and we're going to watch a carrot show.
I'm not watching a carrot show, I was just joking. But we're at the farm and we're going to have a great day, right?
Yeah!
Joker! So we've come down to Over Farm, which is a really cool farm for an Easter egg extravaganza. We're going to have so much fun today. There are tractor rides, there's an adventure park, there's an Easter egg hunt, there's animals to feed, there's loads of things to do.
Hey guys, today I'm going on a slide and it's really fast.
Queen Frog, let's see you go back, Queen Frog.
Nope.
Queen Frog. Yay! She made it. Hi, Kaden.
They saw Dr. Evil! Stop it! Stop it, Dr. Evil! You're chasing, come on, Steve! You're chasing Dr. Evil! No, this was a dastardly run. This is really good! Woo-hoo! Oh yeah! I think Dr. Evil has won this round! Oh my goodness! This is brilliant! I know, it's slightly uneven, but you know, the good guys always win, but
We're going for a ride in a tractor.
I'm excited to go on the tractor.
You excited to go on the tractor, Kaden? We're going for a ride on the tractor.
Hello!
hello from the outside.
Hello!
Hi, Benny. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Hey, Benny. Hi, Benny. Oh, good. Say hey, Benny. Hi, Benny. Shake it, shake it. Shake it.
Well done.
We're going to start the clock in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go! Run!
Go on, Hoppers, that's it. Find those eggs. Brilliant work.
Come on!
To us when you can. Let's go and collect those eggs. There's lots. The little Hoppers have saved the day! Hoppers, make sure you've got your maps at the ready.
Wow. Did you say thank you?
You're very welcome.
Hey, little donkey, you're so beautiful,
Yeah, you are the
aren't you? Okay, then look, we've got company. This one wants some food as well. Hello, come behind her, don't be scared. Hey, you want some food? Go on, Kay. What do you see over there?
Pig.
Hello there, Mr. Farmer. Mr. and Mrs. Farmer.
Hey, pictures on the road.
Sorry. Guys, it says balance beam. Can you make it to the end without falling off? Go on, Callie. Go on, Grandad. Come on. Come on, Kay. Let's have a little looky. Go on. Caden's going really fast. Whoa, 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 hey, well done. And that concludes the day. We have spent the day at Over Farm in Gloucestershire, having a fabulous time, haven't we, guys?
Yeah.
What's been your favourite part of the day?
Feeding.
Feeding the animals. Callie, what about you?
Jumping pillows.
The jumping pillows. Yeah, they were really fun. Nanny, what's been your favourite part of the day?
All of it. It's been such fun.
Grandad Wayne, his favourite part? Being an Easter bunny at Wiggler's Farm. Yes. And I love their face painting as well. Caden was the Easter bunny. Hey. And Callie is a butterfly. Be a butterfly. Woo, butterfly.
Don't forget to subscribe.